In this step of preparing your Panther portfolio, you're going to be able to self-rank how you're doing at your Graduate of Granite behaviors for each of your classes. So here you can see a rubric that has our Graduate of Granite behaviors of communication, hard work and resilience, responsibility, respect, and dependability. We have a statement of what each behavior or value is like, and then a ranking of how often you feel you're showing those behaviors. So number 1, communication. I communicate effectively to share and understand information in a variety of contexts. So that can look like, are you raising your hand and contributing? Are you writing answers when you're asked to? Do you ask questions when you're confused? Do you have positive communication, or are you using inappropriate communication? If your communication is good for your classes, you can click on the box for 4 or for 3. The box, whichever box represents how you feel your communication is. And I like to just change the whole color of the box. So up here there's a fill color, and you can select a fill color to highlight how you're doing. You could make this a color that represents you, like have it be pink. You could have it match the class color. You could have it match the value color. But for every column, you should only have one box filled in with a color so that your parents can see pretty quickly how you rank yourself. So maybe my communication is average. I give myself a 3 because I do what I have to, but I don't go beyond. Hard work and resilience. I set personal goals, apply best efforts to achieve them, and persevere when faced with challenges and setbacks. I demonstrate confidence, optimism, and self-efficacy. Maybe I do some assignments, but I don't finish them. And so I'm going to give myself a 2. I demonstrate these characteristics some of the time, occasionally. And I'm going to use yellow as my fill color. Responsibility. I am trustworthy, ethical, reliable, and accountable for my individual choices and the results produced. Responsibility looks like doing your job as a student. When you're asked to do something, do you comply? Do you do what you're supposed to? I'm going to say yes, I consistently do my responsibilities. This looks like charging my Chromebook, bringing a pencil, completing the starters in class. Respect. I acknowledge differences by looking for the good in everyone, including myself, and show due regard for feelings, rights, culture, and traditions. I think I treat others with a lot of respect, so I'm going to fill that one in as a 4. Dependability. I am reliable and dependable in my attendance and punctuality. Do I show up on time? Do I show up every day? Maybe I have an unexcused absence or tardies, and I can rank myself a 3. You have this rubric for every single class. So you can go through and say, maybe I have an absence in advisory, but I'm always on time to my English class. Or maybe I'm super respectful in advisory, but I'm not as respectful in English class. So think about how you actually behave in every class period and give yourself a ranking. So you have this for advisory, English, math, science, and your A-Day, B-Day classes.